Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. It's your boy Chef Bill RD. Today I'm going to show you how I made the most delicious sweet and spicy Korean style chicken wings. First, I'm going to start by cutting and washing my wings. You can either fry them whole or cut them into flats and drums. Now for my marinade, I'm using some green onion, a couple slices of ginger, 4 garlic cloves, and 3 habaneros. For spices, I'm using garlic powder, cayenne pepper, onion powder, and white pepper. Some MSG, some chili pepper flakes, a bit of vegetable oil, some light soy sauce, salt, some gochujang. Then to a blender cup, I'm gonna add in all my peppers, onions, garlic, and ginger, 2 tablespoons of onion powder, 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, a tablespoon of cayenne, a tablespoon of light soy sauce, some chili pepper flakes, and then a big heap full of chili pepper paste. And then I added some vegetable oil. I also added a little bit of water, like off of camera, just so it can blend a little smoother. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of salt and a little bit of MSG to my clean chicken. Now you're gonna kind of have to trust yourself here with the amount of salt, because the amount of chicken I have, will vary a little different than yours. Then you wanna add your beautiful marinade to your chicken with a dirty hand. Give it a nice, good little mix. Now you really wanna marinate these as long as possible, overnight preferred. But if you don't feel like waiting, at least 4 to 6 hours. Now I'm gonna wrap these up because I don't like leaving them uncovered in the fridge, because it kind of creates like a layer on top of the chicken, and I just don't want that. Now to batter our chicken after it's been marinated, we're gonna add it directly into the marinated chicken. You wanna go in with 1 egg and about 1.5 cups of flour, 1/4 cup of cornstarch, mix it all together. If it's not this consistency, just add a little more flour and adjust it. Now look, let's just say I pulled the plug on my boy a little prematurely. My guy is back in action and deep frying like never before. Anyways, you want to heat up your oil to about 330 degrees Fahrenheit and fry your wings for about 3 to 4 minutes. Then take them out and heat up your oil to about 380 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and fry them for 1 or 2 more minutes until they are 165 degrees internal and dark golden brown and crispy. For our sauce, you want to add in 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of rice wine vinegar. Now I didn't use rice wine vinegar because I didn't have it, so I just use white vinegar. But yeah, if you have rice wine vinegar, use that. And then you want to go 4 tablespoons of light soy sauce, a bit of ginger paste, some minced garlic, and then a bunch of red chili flakes. Then you want to get a big heap full of the Korean chili paste, and then 3 tablespoons of light brown sugar. Give it a mix, and then add a little bit of water, but not too much, but just enough. Oh yeah, and then a little bit of hot honey. Then you want to grab the biggest pot in the kitchen, add in the sauce, let it simmer and come together and thicken. Then add the sauce directly to your wings, toss them up, plate them up, and enjoy. As always, the recipe will be posted in the description of all my videos. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you want to see more content like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'll see you later. Peace.